Hello. So all of you are eagerly waiting for your admit card, and many of your friends, many of the friends, they asked me that they are unable to download the admit card for CBSE board examination. So let me tell you the things that tomorrow onwards, that admit card downloading will be available. Tomorrow 7th February, because after 1 week the children are going to write their examination from 15th onwards. So tomorrow onwards, the admit card downloading of admit card, I mean admit card will be available. So let me show you the things once here. Yes. So here, this two folders are not live till now. Tomorrow by afternoon, by the evening, it will be live. And before that, I want to tell you one thing. Here one slot is there, Kalasetu. So Kalasetu means this is art integrated project, and that must be filled by all the school principals, so that the data will be fulfilled. So tomorrow by evening, the admit card, because CBSE is really working seriously working for fixing the center, all these things. So now the work is, of course, it is with good speed. Tomorrow by the evening it will be available. So still, if you are facing any difficulties, you can comment. Thank you very much.